Looking for a pasta maker machine? Our kitchen appliance experts bought and tested the top 6 best pasta maker machine available in 2021 and put them through a rigorous side-by-side comparison to find the very best. Each model was subjected to a punishing quality of tests for whipping, mixing, and kneading. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect pasta maker for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 6 on our list, we have the Entree Pasta Maker. This multifunction cutter allows you to make spaghetti, lasagna, or fettuccine in one. Roll out 5.5-inch sheets and choose any of the 8 thickness settings for the perfect pasta. Pasta makers are incredible additions to any kitchen. Simple, easy to use, and conducive to creative recipes, a pasta maker allows you to cook up classics like spaghetti and more challenging recipes like carbonara. Whichever motor and design you choose, whether electric or handheld, we hope you enjoy discovering new food to share with the family. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Number 5 on our list, we have the Nuventi Pasta Maker. The Nuventi Pasta Maker features silver carbon steel and comes with 7 adjustable thickness settings. You'll love how easy it is to switch between these settings to achieve various pasta types, such as thin angel hair and thicker lasagna noodles. This ravioli maker and pasta drying rack are the perfect additions to your pasta maker. It is high-quality, stainless steel ravioli maker attachment cuts homemade pasta into smooth, even, and great-tasting ravioli. The pasta drying rack includes 16 polycarbonate rods that fan out in a spiral design, allowing you to dry up to 4.5 pounds, 2 kilograms, of pasta at a time. Pasta drying stands do not get more convenient than this. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 4 on our list, we have the Shul Pasta Maker. The Shul Pasta Maker has high-quality, heavy-duty stainless steel with an equally durable cutter and a roller made with anodized aluminum. With an adjustable dough thickness, you can easily determine the pasta thickness to create various dishes. This pasta machine is easy to clean with a cloth or brush, further prolonging its life. The pasta machine is made from high-quality aluminum rollers and cutters with stainless steel 430 covers. It comes with a stainless steel hand crank with plastic handle to let the pasta roll and turn it into different types of pasta. It also has an adjustable clamp to secure the pasta maker in place. To make the pasta, prepare the dough, and flatten it out. The pasta maker have 7 different thickness options for the pasta dough ranging from 0.5 mm to 3 mm. Wipe clean with a dry brush or cloth. Also may use banister brush or wooden stick if necessary. At number 3 on our list, we have the Cuisinart Pasta Maker. The Cuisinart set comes with a pasta cutter, hand crank, table clamp, pasta maker, and 3 dynamic attachments. You'll love how easy it is to take this pasta maker apart and put it back together again, making it significantly easier to clean after a messy pasta making evening. This pasta maker has durable, long-lasting steel material to ensure an even longer lifespan. At number 2 on our list, we have the Imperia Pasta Maker Machine. The Imperia Pasta Machine has quickly become the number 1 leading homemade pasta maker, and with great reasons. It's well-built, long-lasting, an absolute piece of cake to use, and best of all, it makes the most delicious pasta you will ever taste. Some say even better than what you'll find in top-grade Italian restaurants. Boasting countless 5-star ratings on Amazon and having a massive underground following of Imperia fanatics, the Imperia Pasta Machine is the Rolls-Royce of pasta machines. The Imperia SP150 Pasta Machine is not just a thing of great beauty, it's an object of supreme practicality, from its solid steel and wooden cranking handle right through to its sturdy, steadfast table clamp. This is Italian high-end manufacturing and craftsmanship at its absolute finest. And finally at number 1 on our list, we have the Marcato Atlas 150 pasta machine. Marcato is a name in the culinary world that stands for quality, which is why their Atlas 150 machine is our top pick. In addition to offering solid Italian construction, this medium-sized pasta maker comes with a pasta cutter, hand crank, and a clamp to securely hold this appliance in place during operation. This device features sturdy steel construction to guarantee durability. Home chefs will appreciate that they can use the adjustable knob to change the thickness of their pasta from 0.6 to 4.8 mm and make sheets of pasta up to 150 mm in width. While they don't come with this machine, serious pasta makers have the option to separately purchase 13 accessories from Marcato for more variety in their pasta production. You also can't go wrong with the best stainless steel cookware. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.